welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, I am Sonam Singh and this is my YouTube channel, It's Sona. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, and if you are already a subscriber, then welcome back. So in this video, I will be reviewing the 5 products from the brand Vyam Ayurveda. I have brought 5 products from this brand, and so the very first disclaimer I want to give you about this brand is its name is Vyam Ayurveda. Does not mean that it is 100% Ayurvedic brand. It is like all other skincare brands that are available in the market. I was just searching for a new skincare brand that I must try out, so I found this brand on Purple. So I bought few skincare items from their website. If you are interested watching this video, please keep on watching till the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the very first product I am going to show you is face toner. This is Vyam Ayurveda Pure Lavender Water Face Toner, that is also known as soothing toner. So this product is of 50 ml and it cost me around 147 rupees, and in present it is showing 200 rupees. So actually the price of the products may get fluctuated due to some special offers going on the website. So you can definitely check out all the products. I will provide the link of all the products in the description box. You can definitely check out there. Let's talk about packaging. So the packaging is a very nice cardboard packaging which is light yellow in color. Packaging looks quite good. So inside it you will get a 50 ml of bottle, which is a spray bottle, and I think for a toner mist, spray bottle is good. So now let's talk about the product highlight that they give in their website. So they say that Vyam Ayurveda Pure Lavender Water Soothing Toner soothes and calms inflamed skin, balances skin pH level, and it also refreshes the skin. So I have used this product quite a few times and I do believe that it really refreshes your skin, and I personally think that it absorbs your sweat very nicely and gives a nice refreshing look to your face. So the next product is Vyam Ayurveda Kumkum Adi Ultimate Radiance Face Cream. This is a day cream which is concentrated with saffron, manjita and turmeric extract. So we all are familiar with these 3 आइटम्स दैट आर प्रेजेंट इन दिस डे क्रीम. पहले के लोग ये तीनों इंग्रेडिएंट्स अपने स्किन केयर ब्रांड में यूज़ करते ही थे. सो if these 3 ingredients are present in this day cream, that is very nice. So this is 30 gram of product you will be getting. It retails for 193. Again, the prices may fluctuate due to special offers on the website. So this is a glass bottle and you can see the silver cap over it, which looks quite luxury, and this is a glass packaging. In all the product ingredients which are used in making this product are mentioned on the bottle. So I have used this product quite a few times, and the things that I have noticed for this product is the cream is quite thick. The consistency of the cream is quite thick. It is white in color. It is blendable, and you can apply it and you can just massage it on your face, and it is quite blendable. It soothes your skin very nicely. Sometimes it can give you sweat. There are some natural ingredients which might cause some irritating type of feeling on your skin, but I will suggest you to always do a patch test of any skincare or makeup before doing on your face. The consistency of the cream is quite thick. Just take a small dots of the product, apply it all over face and just massage it gently, and yeah, that's done. This is day cream, so it contains a little bit of SPF in it. So after applying this as a moisturizer, you should also apply a sunscreen. So the next product is Vyam Ayurveda 93% natural turmeric brightening face serum. This product is 10 ml of bottle and it retails for 285 rupees. This product is 93% natural, paraben free and silicone free. So again, the packaging is quite good. It comes in cardboard packaging, which is quite good. Let's open the product and see what's inside. There you will get a small bottle, and with it you will also get a dropper in which Just you have to take the serum and apply it on your face and just gently massage it very nicely. Just open the bottle. Again, there is a covering which is quite good. The product is safe and it can't be spill off. Just open this compressor. Just take it. It also has a cap, so you can just close it with this also. You can keep it like this. Just open the product, just press it, and you will get the product in the glass dropper. The product says that it is the ultimate solution for your skin and hair troubles. When applied on the skin, it helps you give a wonderful glow by lightening it. On the other hand, when applied on the scalp, it gives strength to hair follicle, resulting in hair growth. So this is the serum which you can apply on your hair as well as on your face. So this is a kind of multi-purpose serum, so you can definitely get it. And the benefits of using this face serum is it evens out the skin tone, it glows, it lightens dark spots which are present on your face, and it also helps in skin brightening and skin lightening. Again, a short disclaimer: skin lightening, skin brightening is not mean that it will make your skin fair. So don't think about the product that it will make you fair. No, this is not the thing that skin lightening or skin brightening says. So the next product is my favorite product, that is Vayam Ayurveda Haldi Chandan Soothing Face Pack, which is concocted with turmeric powder and sandalwood powder. So this is 40 gram of product and it retails for 170 rupees. Again, the packaging is quite good. It is like a drum like packaging, a hexagonal shape packaging, hexagonal drum like packaging. I have just teared it. The best thing about is you will get a small steel dibba. When I saw it, I was just super excited that I got a steel dabba which my mother can use in her kitchen. So this is the packaging. You will get a steel dabba inside it, and the face pack is a powder face pack. It is not already made. So you will get a powder face pack. You just have to mix it with the curd or a water or a gulab jal and just apply it on your face. Just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse off with the cold water. So this is the dhakkan cap. So this is the plastic packaging that you will get in this dabba, and it is all full of the powder. I have used the product this much, so this much is only left, so that is I have kept in it only. Along with the product, you will also get a wooden spoon. This is the wooden spoon that you will get, and the product is inside it. So let me show you the product. So this is the product. It is like a powder product. You just have to mix it with the curd or the rose water or the simple distilled water and just apply it on your face. The best thing about this product is I just love the fragrance it has. It is so natural, and I am just loving this product because of its fragrance, its smell. Trust me, it's not a chemical smell. Actually, and naturally smells like a sandalwood. It soothes, provides relief from inflammation, softens skins and brightens your skins and gives a very natural glow to your skin. This product is again for all skin types. It helps in removing the acne and the pimples. It helps removing dark spots. Oh my god, what is this? मेरी मेहनत का पसीना है ये. So the next product that I'm going to show you is face wash. This is Vayam Ayurveda Haldi Chandan Rejuvenating Face Wash. It is 100 ml of product and it retails for 190 rupees. And I think this is quite affordable. All the products of this brand are quite affordable. So this face wash is infused with goodness of haldi and chandan. This face wash gently removes dirt, oil and green from the skin surface, improves skin texture and makes it soft. It brightens skin complexion, reduces the appearance of dark spots and blemishes, soothes inflammation and instantly refreshes the skin. So the packaging of this product is quite good. ये packaging काफ़ी thick है. This is quite thick bottle and I have never used such face wash which is having this kind of packaging. It is so soft and the material of this packaging is something different. I don't know which material it is. Once I was just washing my face using it, I was little bit confused. This is face wash or a face gel, because the texture of this face wash is like honey. It looks like honey. The texture is also like honey. And when I was using it now, I was thinking that it is actually a face wash or a face gel or cream like thing, because it was not giving that jhag. I was watching and reading that it is actually a face wash or something else, but it was written a face wash, so I was clear, okay, this was face wash and I have to use it like a face wash, not a face cream. And it actually works very nice. I just love this product. So yeah, that's it. All the products are completed. I have reviewed all the 5 products that I have bought, and I'm just trying it also and using it, and I have given all my honest opinion in this video. So if you ask me that which one or two of the product I should suggest you all to try out, so I will definitely tell you or suggest you face serum, because I also like its texture, because it is not like oily kind of texture. It has a watery gel like of structure. So I think this is the first priority of my product, and the second is face wash. These are the 2 products that I would like and highly suggest you all to try it out. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you will like the review of all these 5 products. So if you have any kind of confusion or want to ask something related to this video, you can definitely comment in the comment section and give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on my Instagram. The link is in the description. You can check out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the chotu sa bell icon to get the latest notification of my videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Till then.